Oldham Ramblers volunteer footpath clearance and maintenance team were out again last Tuesday, when? The 29th of July 2025, where? Our second visit to Slaters farm, Knott Lanes, Oldham. What? Working on footpath FP53 Oldham, repairing decking and footbridge, waymarking and litter picking. Thanks to Oldham Council for supplying all the timber and screws. Who? 9 volunteers out this week: Ken, Paul, Mike, Kevin, Keith, Steve, Bob, George and Neil. A big thank you to all the volunteers and thank you for watching. Please note there is no footpath clearance and maintenance next week. Volunteers working for walkers, keep on walking.